Here I've got Neffos C7s, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select system. Here you have to go to date and time, and you can either have an automatic date and time or you can switch it off, and now you can set the date and time manually by yourself. So that's it. This is how you can change date and time on your device, and then you can also switch off automatic time zone by tapping on this switcher, and let's select the region from the following list, and then also you can change time zone once it's available. Then you can use either 24-hour format clock or 12-hour format clock, so simply tap on those switchers to select it. And that would be all. This is how you can change date and time in your device in your Neffos C7s. Then once you want to go back to automatic setup, simply tap on those switchers. And that would be all. This is how you can change date and time in your Neffos C7s. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.